Halloween. However, guys, let me show y'all. It is like so sad. It's so sad what's going on right now. Do you guys see what's going on right now? It's freaking raining. So we are just like playing it by ear, I guess, regarding being able to go trick or treating. So we're about to do Kyler's makeup. Yeah. Kaylin is a Roblox character. She's a creeper, so she have a mask.
No, she's a Minecraft.
I'm having mask.
Isn't that what I called it?
No, you said Roblox.
She is a Roblox character. She's a creeper, so it's the same thing, right?
No.
Oh, okay. Come on, let's do your makeup. So Kyler is a zombie bride from the 1800s. So
I have an ex-husband named Alex. He dumped me. Now I got a real. Now I'm going to get revenge on him. Now I got a new husband. So you know who my new husband is? It's Harold. Harold.
okay, so let's get into doing Kyler's makeup. This is the third time that we have done this makeup because we have worn our costumes already for trick or treat.
Yeah.
So yeah, we should have it.
Don't forget about ballet.
Oh, and we were to ballet too. So we should have this all down pat on how we want it to look.
Yes.
Alright, so
Get the base out.
hopefully it stops raining. Because it's still early. It's 4:57. You see that it was light outside. It don't normally get dark until like 6:30. So hopefully it stops raining and we'll be able to go and hit a couple houses and do some trick-or-treating.
This is how it looks so far. Yeah. And I do the eyes different, and it looks so cute. Look adorable.
Zombie bride.
You look so creepy, Kyla.
Definitely. Alright, so this is my final DIY costume. I am a little devil, a little demon. Alright, and we have Spider-Man.
Mama, you know what I want?
This is Kyler all the way done.
Spider-Man.
And we have Minecraft character.
And here's
Oh, we got the cat.
This is my cat.
Alright, hey guys, so we are out here in the streets. And we're about to start our trick-or-treating. Alright, so we're about to test this ninja. Alright, so we're about to start our trick-or-treating. Okay, see the camera? They see you. Spider-Man. Okay, so we're gonna turn the camera on when we get to our first house. It looks like we're not coming across any houses just yet, but when we get to our first house, we will get back on the camera. How cute their setup is. It's like so stinking cute. So cute, so cute. And the girls got, and they first thing they got in their basket is some candy. Kit Kats. Alright guys, so Paris is out with us trick-or-treating tonight. This is her first Halloween. This is her first Halloween that she's able to come out. Paris is an old lady, but we don't bring her trick-or-treating. This is the first time. Granny is the reason why.
All grandkids.
Look, they even got the doggy treats. Maya, show the doggy treats.
Look, Paris.
Alright guys, so we are like halfway done with our first block. And yeah, the girls' basket is almost full. Everybody is participating. I love it. All the kids are dressed up. It's like so many people. Can y'all see? Let me show y'all in front of us. In front, it's like so many people. I already called you. Look at that skeleton.
Look at me.
You see that skeleton? Keep going, guys.
Bye-bye, JJ.
Bye-bye, skeleton. Happy Halloween. Trick or treat. We only have done one block. So we're about to do another block and we'll get some pizza, and we have pumpkins that we're going to do. So we're going to do some pumpkins, and then that's going to be it for our Halloween. Yeah, the kids are excited. Kristen is so excited. Like super duper excited.
Watch out! Why are you laughing at I'm like, they mechanicals is great.
He is alive.
Yeah, you would. It did.
That toy. I felt like I was about to die.
You felt like you was about to die.
Yes, I thought it was the end of my life.
Look, it's a dead body.
candy up on the porch. Y'all going to
It's on the porch.
get up there?
I don't see no bucket.
It's a red bucket. Alright guys, look, it is starting to get dark outside. Our glow, you can see our glow lights. Going to the next house. That's what she's been saying all night. Next house, next house. And she won't stay off these people's grass. She keep on walking on the grass. She just do not care.
Thank you.
Let's see.
Thank you. You're welcome.
She didn't even notice a skeleton, y'all. Kristen.
Come on, Pumpkin.
She's scared.
Hold her hand, Kyler. You have to hold her hand. Holding her back will only push her forward.
Okay, let's cross the street.
She was scared. No cow. No.
Just keep going. We almost done. It's 7 o'clock.
I said 7 o'clock at
I was thinking Spider-Man was sleeping and she tricked us. We thought you was asleep. Silly girl. Alright, hey guys.
We're back.
We're
I'm
back
out of my
at the house.
costume.
Somebody changed up their costume before we get a picture. So we're not getting a picture this year, I guess. Alright, here's Spider-Man. Look at all this candy, y'all. Trick or treat is over, and we squeezed in pumpkin carving because we've had these pumpkins and we cannot let Halloween go without making our pumpkins. So here's Aiden's pumpkin. He's getting it all cleaned out. Kaylin's pumpkin.
Aiden, do you want
Kristen's, and then we have some seeds that we're gonna bake. So yeah, they're gonna paint their pumpkins out after they clean them out. And we got our Halloween pumpkins.
You want to with an open mouth, Aiden?
Yeah.
Now watch them at the end.
Guys, look.
So it's safe to say that Halloween 2022 was a success. Alright, so we're going to end this vlog right here. I want to say happy Halloween. I hope everyone had a safe one. Don't eat too much candy. And we're going to see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.
Bye. Peace.
Peace out.